Second quarter. 23-13. 10 points lead para sa quick trial ng ating butihing Coach Francis.
Yolo!
Rigo, Kalinog nakawala. Kalinog lays up. Malakas ang tira. Di ba ni number 16 Del Mundo. Back to D. Lobaton. Tumira sa 3. Yeah! Lobaton to 3. It's a full court press. There you go. Kapuanta. To Kalinog. Back to number 6. Kapuanta again. There you go. Riambon. Wala ang tira. Alvarez. Wala. Alvarez pa rin. In one. Foul on number. Okay. Warning on number 1 for technical. Too much resentment. Alvarez completing a 3-point play on the charge line. Alvarez, wala tira. Viva la Varia to Riambon. Pressing the ball, Riambon. Pass to number 5. Kapuantan, wala na. Rebound D. Del Mundo na corner. Del Mundo takes. Pass to D. Del Mundo lays up. Yes! Number 1, Del Mundo. Tatlo na po naman. Lang-quitter. Tatlo na. Here we go. Nakawala. Number 1, Alvaro. Eto, Del Mundo. Intercept by D. Kubege. Lays up. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin ang punta. Basket counted. 14. Ball number 6, T. First personal foul on T. Akhirnya untuk Kabuantan. Lugano pasahan pasok sa partner number 6, hingga number 1 Del Mundo. Gano. Del Mundo up. Kembali. Substitution. Lalu main. Seconds, 12 seconds remaining. There you go, Ferrer, basket!
Blue 5, technical foul.
Ang technical number 5, Kapuantan.
Foul!
Lubatan for the technical shot. Basket.
Nakakatalo nila doon. Puro reklamo.
Here we go. Kapuantan to his brother. Kapuantan. Number 6. Black by T. Now on the apple.
Warning,
A warning for delaying the game, number 6 speed. Warning for delaying the game. Offensive foul, number 5. Offensive. Ferrer, signaling the play, pass to number 50. Alvarez. Alvarez, walang bola. Rep, sino warning? Okay. Both are warning for delaying the game. Anderson by Riapon. Wala bola, sayang. Ferrer. Wala tira. Rebound by Josh. Back to T, number 6. T on the dribble. Being run by number 20. Ferrer. Reverse. Wala. Isa kanya pa rin na bola. T. Foul on 0. Okay, substitution. First foul on the beat. First team foul for Quick Tire. Pascal Ferrer. Alvarez. Wala. Ayan ako na Riambon. Number 6. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Ferrer lays up. Yes! There we go. Iron Man. Pass to number 6. Capuanta. 2 points for number 6. Capuanta. We are all tied at 27. Pascual. Signaling the play. Pascual. Ferrer. Alvarez. Tumira sa 3. Perez. 3 points by Alvarez. Riambon. On the dribble. Riambon. Zigzagging. Riambon nakawala. Nails up. Walang foul. Foul on number 28. Ferrer. Substitution rep.
Ferrer, first personal foul, second team foul, JFS.
Riambon on the charge line, shooting for 2. First attempt, no good. The second attempt. Split charity for Riambon, number 15. Ferrer on the dribble, crossing the forward line. Ferrer signaling the play, doing first teammate. Pass, ice, ganda na pasa. Josh lays up basket. Alright, timeout, quick time.
This timeout is brought to you by Art BPM.
May tubig ako, oh.
Back to the ball game.
Here we go, Riambo. Pass to Pascual. Or Calino, sorry. Luka Buantan, being guarded by number 10. Lobato tumira sa 3, wala. Out of bounds. Traveling violation. Ironman, wala. Rebound ni Josh. Back to Peler. Peler. Pass to Del Mundo. Lumaton, pass to Peler. Peler. Zigzagging, pass to Ice. Ice, raise up. Yes! 2 points for Ice.
Wala mag-isip.
Number 22, Lucy Basket. Basket count, foul on number 22. Eyes on the charge line, completing a 3-point play. Technical, nagriga foul on Ice.
Pwede natin i-stop yung video dito. Papanood ko sa kanila kung gano'ng kailangan.
Hindi na kailangan.
Kabuatan, basket. Ice completing a 3-point play.
Let's play ball, let's play ball. Let's play ball, hey.
Calino. Wala tira sa press ni number 2, sorry, Pascual. Estrada. Same ball. Intercept by Del Mundo. Wala. Kabuatan. Kabuatan, wala. Ariwan pa rin ni number 22. Traveling.
Oy! Technical, oh! Oy! Mahilig mo siya. Technical na yun, oh. Sabi mo, technical na, oh. Yaw.
Time out! Quick time!
Mainit. Warning lang yung kanina. Bakit technical na?
Technical na siya.
Welcome to ATR, Olarte Family Art, PPF. Oh, yung mga reserve natin yan.
Go ka, dito! Hala, doon sila, go. Diyan na kayo. Tawagan mo siya na.
Back to the ball game.
Hoy, warning ulit yun. Warning sila.
6:31. 3 minutes remaining. 3 minutes and 37 seconds at the second quarter. Ice. Telemundo back to ice. Telemundo. Lobaton. Umigi. Lobaton to Jaws. Wala. Ice for the rebound. Nako pa rin ni number 12 of 13. Calino. Nagmamadali. Paso. Riambon. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound on number 5 from Buantan. Riambon. Sa seal. There you go. Calino. Wala. Rebound on number 5 from Buantan. Fresh shot. Oh, out of bounds. Substitution. Alvarez, pinasa kay Del Mundo. Na kay Lobato. Oh, number 17. Del Mundo. Del Mundo, tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound number 1. Riambon. Number 0. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Hindi ka na. Kapantan. Wala ang bola. Del Mundo. Alvarez. Traveling violation. Substitution. Fajardo. Jun Paray. Number 11. Kapuantan pass to his brother. Kapuantan tumira sa tres. Kapuantan basket counted. 3 points. Push on number 1. Number 11, sorry. Push on number 11.
Foul. Number 11, counted pa foul.
Maria. Pass to 0. Number 6, Kapuantan. Being guided by Sanchez. Kapuantan tumira ulit sa tres. Basket, 2.3. Kapuantan, 3. JMS.
Ay, technical na dyan lahat. Lagi.
This timeout is brought to you by RPPF. ADR Basketball Season 6. Welcome at Achievers Family.
There you go. Back to the ball game, Alvarez on. Setting the play. Waiting for receiving. Alvarez to T. Number 6. Signaling the play. T dribbling the ball. T being guarded by 0. T. Usos mo na sa paso del mundo. Tumiro sa tres. Wala. Rebound ni. Last rebound. Last touch. Red. Blue ball.
Don, press to Don.
Riambon. 0. Jimenez. Riambon. Riambon. Being guarded by Sanchez. Signaling the play. Ego, David. Paso number 5, Kapuantan. Kapuantan. Wala. Na-rebound ni T. Na wala. Bobby. Lifting. 1 minute and 9 seconds remaining. 1 minute and 9 seconds. 37-36 in favor of Quick Tire. David signaling the play. David, 2 minutes at least. Wala. Rebound ni Alvarez Pinasa. All on Alvarez. Yes! Come on, John. 50 seconds remaining. There you go. Change favor. Kabantan. Passers bar. 10 seconds. Shot clock. 5. Kabantan. 24 seconds. Shot clock.
Hoy!
T. Paso del Mundo. 20 seconds remaining. T. Mounting the shot clock. Del Mundo. Jump basket by Del Mundo. First half. End of the first half.
Yan. Ganun ka bang depensa?
Score 40-37.
Thrown out na ito, thrown out. Nagpasapewa.
3-1 daw.
Sa'yo na naman yan eh. Lagi ko tagal lumalabas eh.
Kumain ko si ano? Gerald? Ha? Kumain ko. Hindi, si ano na lang.
Bakit? Ang kayo siya. May ticket na? Sabi niya.
Achievers Basketball. Opening date, November 8, next week.
Si Ibanez. Pumayag si Daniel eh.
ATR Basketball is brought to you by Art PPF Styling.
Sabi nga, wala talaga to eh.
Update on the World Series. The score is 3-1 in favor of Blue Jays. Fifth inning. Let's go Blue Jays.
Ito dapat ko ka Gerald. Kaya ilalim. Ano idol? Yung trabaho ni Gerald, ikaw na ha?
Score 40-37 in favor of JFS.
Sabi niya,
Yan ang plano, pero
malaki lang talaga to.
Third quarter. The score is 40-37 in favor of JFS Meet. T. Twice. Del Mundo wala there, rebound number 22. Here we go. Alvaria, hindi ka na mola. Alvaria back to Calino or Pascual. Alvaria, no good. Rebound on 50. Alvarez. Paso del mundo. Setting the play. Del mundo. Ice. Baba, tumira sa tres. Baba, corner free. Calino dribbling the ball. Being guarded by Del Mundo. Calino nagiging ng screen. Calino. Blocking foul. Alvarez. 50. Blocking foul. Second foul on Alvarez. Here we go, number 2, Pascual. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound ni Alvarez. Del Mundo. T. Ice. Stays up. Wala. Foul number 50. Alvarez. Alvarez. Third personal foul. Second team foul. JFS. Calino setting the play. Calino, magkamadali na wala bola. Nakuha ni... Ibabad. Foul on number 2. Second foul on Estrada. Second team foul. Check. Del Mundo. To Ice. Ice being asked by Calino. Here we go. Wala tira. Number 17. Here we go. Kampuantan. Wala ang tira. Substitution. Lobatang to the ball game.
Abangan natin pagtanda nun.
Here we go. Ferrer being guarded by Calino. Ferrer. Twice. P. Tumira sa tres. Wala. Rebound on Alvaria. Calino. Pass to Kampuantan. Back to Alvaria. Bad pass. Alvaria. Kampuantan. To his brother. Kampuantan. Wala bola. P.E. Tumigi. Nakuha na foul on number 5. Kampuantan. Third personal foul on number 5. T on the charge line. First attempt. Basket counted. Here we go for the second attempt. Number 6P. 6P. Second attempt. Wala. Di ba number 1 Alvaria? Ito pa naman ni Calino. Calino being out by 2 Richard. Calino kumula. Calino nakawala ng foul. On. No basket. Foul number 3. Ice. Second foul on number 3, Ice. The second personal foul, Ice. 13 foul, JFS speed jump. 14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds. There you go. Calino. 10 seconds. Oh! Blocking foul on number 13, Sanchez. 14 foul, JFS. Warning for penalty. Sanchez, 3 personal foul. Calino. Calino, pass ng Buanta, number 6. Tumira sa 3, basket! Kabuantan for 3. Number 28, Ferrer. Ferrer, being harassed by Calino, pinasa kay number 7, yung natira na rebound, number 5, Kabuantan on the door. Pass to his brother. Being guarded by Ferrer. Here we go. Kabuantan. Nawala po na ako ni number 10. Lobaton, pinasa kay Josh. Stays up, yes, for the 2 points. There we go. Kalino crossing the upper line. Being guarded by Ferrer. Kalino. Kalino, tumira, basket. Ferrer. Sigling the play. Ferrer, look for Simen. Dribble na bola na ko ni Ice. Ice on the dribble. Being guarded by Kabuantan. Ice pass to number 14, Sanchez. Lobaton for 3. 49-42. Kabuantan tumira sa 3. Sasagot. Wala. Rebound number 14, Sanchez. To Ferrer. Ferrer. Ferrer, pumigi. Tulubatan again for 3. Yes! 2 points by number 7. Time out. Quick time. Ten-point lead by the JFS. Ayan po, pass to kanina. One time. Foul number 3, Ice. Penalty. Number 6, Kabuantan, shooting for 2, first basket. The second attempt for Kabuantan. 2 for 2. Or number 6. Ferrer, being guarded by Kalina. Ferrer, Ferrer, being harassed. Pass to Ice, stays up, yes! Basket for Ice. Alvaria lays up, yes, 2 points for number 1. There you go, Lobaton setting the play. Lobaton. Done. 10 seconds. Traveling violation. Substitution. Del Mundo empty back from the game. Galino looking for a teammate pass to number 6 Kabuantan. Being guarded by Lobaton. Pass to Alvaria. Kabuantan again. 10 seconds. Offensive foul, number 6. First personal foul, second team foul.